Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Lennon, and I'm just trying to walk you through how to get logged into the My Math Lab for Math 1008. So this is the online asynchronous section. So this is where we'll be completing all of our assessment in terms of homework and tests and things like that. So let me look at this from the student view. So I've posted getting started links. So the first one is the UC Claremont Math 1008 getting started. So basically, it's a sign into your Canvas page, and then click on this course, and then on the left side there's this My Lab and Mastering link. So you're going to want to click that, which we'll look at in a second. And then if you have a Pearson account, you can enter the username and password if you've done it before for any of these other classes. If you haven't, you'll have to create an account. And then this access code that you'll enter will allow you to get into the course without having to pay for any sort of textbook or anything like that. It's already included in your tuition. So you can just copy and paste that, and then from there you go to My Courses. So basically you're going to click that, and I'm probably not going to be able to register since I'm not in the thing, but basically you click this My Lab and Mastering, accept the agreement, and then this is the point where you're going to enter your username and password if you have it, and if not, you're going to create an account. And from there, you're going to go back and enter that code. So the code under the student getting started handout for the semester for spring of 2023. So you're going to enter this code. And then once you're done, you're going to be able to get into My Math Lab. So we'll look at that now, but I can't do that from the student preview. One other thing is there's also another document that I put up there, which is just in case you're having extra trouble, there's a way to meet with UC Help Desk. So there's the Pearson Virtual Help Desk, and they have all these regular meetings. And then you can also schedule a different date. So hopefully everyone will be able to get registered with the My Lab and Mastering. And then once you do that, I have the first homework assignment set up. I think I've made that due next Wednesday, so let me just go ahead and show you. So once you open the course, it will look something like this. Again, this is my view. If I go to the just the view, that's the student preview. Yours will look like, I guess there's nothing on the course homepage. I'll see if I can fix that to show the calendar to show what's due, but currently if you go to assignments, there should be one assignment available. Yeah, we have the Unit 1A homework. So I've got that due the 18th, which is next Wednesday. So the second Wednesday of this course. And basically we'll be doing about one unit per week through this course, or one section per week. And my next video will be a lecture going over Unit 1A, so I'll have that posted tomorrow. But for tonight, just go ahead and try to make sure that you can log into the My Lab and Mastering, and you can view this page. You can also play around and look at the textbook, so you can open the homework and take a look at some of the assignments. I already did one just to make sure it was working, one question, but we'll go over some others. But the other thing you may want to look at is the e-text. So you can view that by clicking e-text and then clicking view. And you might read the section if you want, or browse through it as you're working through the homework. Again, I've got a lot of tabs open right now, so things are running just a smidge slow on my end, so I apologize for that. So probably I can close that. I don't need that tab anymore. Okay, let's try again. Let's try to reload this one more time. Typically, this would work better. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. I'm trying to close as many tabs as possible. Okay, so I paused the video for a moment so you didn't have to watch it load anymore, but the textbook's now open. And, the first assignment is under A1, so that's Chapter 1, Unit 1A. So that's the section we'd be looking at in the textbook. So you can click on that. You can read through the section. There's different things. You can make bookmarks if you want and play around with that sort of thing. So you can bookmark the page or do all sorts of other stuff. So I guess that's where you add the bookmark. But the first section, as you can see, is going over basic logical fallacies, which are arguments that don't have a necessarily completely forthright implication. So like I said, the next video will be covering this section, but that's essentially how you can get around, and you can toggle the table of contents, search for particular words, change the font size, stuff like that. But that's the main thing with the eText. You can also get there, I believe, if you go from any assignment. So if we go back to the Unit 1 assignment, sorry, it's taking a minute. There we go, Unit 1A. So if we open the assignment again, let's say we want to look at a question. This question is, again, mostly reading and selecting things, so there's not a lot of actual writing down like calculations or anything like that. But so there's an option for StatCrunch. We will use that in the stat sections, but it's not going to be useful right now. And then we have the textbook, so that'll take us to the appropriate section of the textbook as well. And I believe if you click Ask My Instructor, it will just send your question as an email. So you're welcome to use that or just email me directly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for navigating the course. If you go back to the Canvas page, I also have the syllabus available. So you can go ahead and read through the syllabus. A lot of it is boilerplate standard stuff, but it has the textbook that we're using. It has the point breakdown and stuff like that. And then I also have a link to the dates and deadlines calendar for the semester. So feel free to look at any of that stuff. All right, so that's it. So again, just go ahead and try to log into the MyLab in Mastering, and you can look forward to a video for section 1A tomorrow. So thank you.